32 Claude Code hacks. Beginner to power user, best ones are at the end. Hack 1, run init on every project. Claude scans your code base and generates a claude.md, a cheat sheet for that project. Architecture, conventions, key files, done once, used every session. Hack 2, set up a status line, type arc status line and tell it what you want to see. Model, context percentage, cost. A mini dashboard at the bottom of your terminal. Hack 3, use voice input. Voice just shipped natively. Talk to your terminal and it codes for you. Hack 4, keep your context small. Don't dump your entire code base in, only give Claude what it needs for the current task. Less noise, better performance. Hack 5, use our context to find your token bloat. See exactly what's eating your tokens. System prompts, files, MCP servers, diagnose and restructure. Hack 6, compact at 60%. When context hits 60%, type our compact. You can even tell it what to keep, like API integration decisions, switch tasks entirely, use clear. Hack 7, always start in plan mode, shift tab to switch. Claude outlines steps, asks questions, maps the approach before touching a single line of code. Hack 8, give it problems, not commands. Instead of write me a function that does X, say how should we handle growth tracking. Let it reason through the approach first. Hack 9, make Claude ask questions. Tell it to keep asking until it's 95% confident it understands what you need. This alone cuts revision rounds in half. Hack 10, build self-checking into to-do lists. After building something, the next to-do is to screenshot it and verify it looks right. Don't move on until it's 95% confident that to-do is done. Hack 11, deploy sub-agents for parallel work. Each gets its own context window, its own model, research tests, different approaches all at once. Main thread stays clean. Hack 12, build custom skills, reusable prompt files in .claude skills, techdebt.md, code review.md. Run entire workflows with one command. Commit them to GitHub and your whole team uses them. Hack 13, use Haiku for sub-agents. Simple tasks, heavy data, use Haiku, have it scrape and summarize. Your main Opus thread gets the highlights, same quality where it matters, way cheaper overall. Hack 14, constantly refresh your claude.md. New discoveries, new patterns, new gotchas, log them, keep it under 200 lines. If it bloats, trim it. Hack 15, have claude.md route to other files, link out to style guides, business context, reference docs. Claude knows where to look without loading everything every session. Hack 16, exit early and reask. If Claude goes down the wrong path, hit escape. Don't wait for it to finish. Every wrong token is wasted context. Hack 17, challenge outputs aggressively. If it's just okay, push back. Scrap that, more elegant. Claude will give you dramatically better output on the second try. Hack 18, use re for quick undos. Claude rolls back to a previous point in the conversation, no restart needed. Hack 19, use hooks for notifications. Set up a noise notification for when a session finishes. Run 15 sessions at once. You'll hear when one needs input. Hack 20, use screenshots. Claude can see. Feed it error messages, inspiration sites. Build, screenshot, analyze, implement 3 passes before V1. Hack 21, use Chrome DevTools. Claude opens a browser, checks functionality, fills forms, front-end quality testing without writing a single test yourself. Hack 22, clone inspiration sites. Screenshot a site you love, feed it to Claude, say, make it look like this. No more generic AI output. Hack 23, run parallel sessions with Git work trees. Type Claude work tree with a feature name, isolated workspace on its own branch, 3 to 5 agents on the same project, no conflicts. Merge when done. Hack 24, use API endpoints instead of MCP servers when tokens are tight. MCP loads all tool definitions into context. If you only need one endpoint, just hard code it. Hack 25, use aitools for recurring tasks. Every 5 minutes, check the deployment, monitor a PR, pull a build, runs in the background. Only interrupts when something needs you. Hack 26, host on a VPS for always on sessions. Laptop closed, Claude keeps running. SSH and talk to it through Telegram anytime. Hack 27, remote control from your phone. Start a task at your desk, walk away, keep steering it from your pocket. Code stays on your machine. Hack 28, no SQL data analytics. Connect CLI tools like BigQuery and ask questions in plain English. Claude translates, runs the query, gives you the answer. Hack 29, ultra-think for hard problems. Type ultra-think and Claude allocates 32,000 tokens of thinking budget before responding. Architecture decisions, complex debugging. Don't use it for simple fixes. Absolutely use it when the decision affects the whole system. Hack 30, edit permissions for safe autonomy. Don't just run dangerously, skip permissions. Explicitly allow what's safe, explicitly deny. Destructive commands, same speed, not dangerous. Hack 31, use agent teams. Unlike sub-agents, where these can talk to each other, shared task lists. They assign each other work, more expensive, way more cohesive on big projects. Hack 32, context 7 MCP, installs in one command, pulls version-specific documentation from thousands of live libraries. Next.js, React, MongoDB, whatever you need. Claude stops suggesting deprecated APIs, quality jumps immediately. 32 hacks. Which one are you using first?